I have to live with this. You only have to put up with it for 10 minutes. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Awesome having you along with the ride again. Hopefully you can hear me okay. Trying out another new mic setup today. But man, did I just have to get out on my bike. It's Friday and it seems like an eternity since I got out on my bike last, but it's not. It's a week, which in reality is actually quite a long time for me. But today and the past few days I've really been struggling to get my head straight. I don't know why, I don't know what it is. But coming out here and talking to this little black box down there really helps me to get my head in order. It feels a little bit odd coming out and talking about struggling and not being in a happy place when compared to an awful lot of people who've had an awfully hard time over the last few months, I am incredibly lucky. I've got a fantastic girlfriend. We live in a beautiful house in the middle of nowhere that I absolutely love. We live in this wonderful countryside, far away from the hustle and bustle. Been lucky enough to keep my job during the whole coronavirus thing that's going on. We have taken a pay cut for a year, but I've still got a job, so that's something that an awful lot of people haven't been able to do. And a lot of my friends have been suffering. I acknowledge that I've been incredibly lucky the past few months. Far luckier than an awful lot of people have throughout the coronavirus pandemic. That doesn't stop me feeling like something's up at times, but now and again I do get myself into this state of mind where I don't get depressed as such, I just get a little bit down in the dumps, and I think we all do, to be honest. And especially being at home for so long. I work from home as well, so there's nothing that really breaks up being at home. And I have worked from home for 3 years, so it's something that I'm quite used to doing. So the coronavirus pandemic wasn't something that brought that on as a new thing. I've worked from home for a long time now. But sometimes I do struggle with the work-life thing. I get up and go into the office and do my 8 to 10 hours sat at my desk, and then turn my computer off, and the mobile phone is going into the evening. I work around the clock pretty much due to global business. Yeah, work-life thing can be quite tricky sometimes, but I've got quite good at managing that over the years. Working from home certainly does have its benefits. It does have its drawbacks as well, and it certainly doesn't suit everyone. And I'm lucky enough to have a really good job that pays me well, and I work from home, and that allows me to get out and make videos like this, go away on tours and all that good stuff. So I completely acknowledge the fact that work isn't just a means to an end, as it were. It does allow me to do an awful lot of things that I enjoy. I guess sometimes I just long to be able to do something else, and do something that I'm really passionate about. So yeah, I find myself in this position sometimes where I just need to get out on my bike and just ride and clear my head. And being able to talk into this little black box in front of me also helps me. And I don't normally do videos like this. I don't normally do personal videos, as it was, or personal thought videos. It's a little bit rambly and a little bit waffly. It's literally just thoughts that are coming into my head as they come into my head. So I didn't go out with any particular plan for this video. I guess one of the things is I really wish that I could make a living from doing the things that I'm passionate about. I thought I could survive on building custom cars and bikes, tuning engines for people, riding my bike around and making YouTube videos. But in all honesty, I know that that's never going to happen. I'm under no illusion that there are an awful lot of YouTubers better than me, and that YouTube's never going to be a massive thing for me. But I enjoy doing it, which is why I keep doing it, and I'll keep doing it for as long as I can. And I will also keep building cars and bikes for people and building engines for people for as long as I can. And doing that does sate my want and desire for continued new projects and stuff, and that other people fund them. I don't make any money out of doing it. I do it purely for the love of doing it. So that's about it. I'm not really sure that I really answered the question of what I want, because I really don't know what I want, therefore I can't really answer it. I have rambled on for the last 10 minutes, and I guess a lot of you have tuned out by now, which is fine. It's not an issue. Not an issue. This is a very personal video. It's not something that I often do. I needed to decompress a little bit, and what better way than talking to the little black box down on my dashboard and talking to all of you, the people who watch this video. So yeah, so I'll be back with more content next Friday, as always. Not sure what the topic of that one will be yet. Time will tell. I hope this video hasn't put you off. Being a more personal video, I don't know how it will go down, so we shall see. It's been a bit rambly and a little bit disjointed, I know, but that's kind of just my brain being expelled onto videos, so I'll have to live with this. You only have to put up with it for 10 minutes. But anyway, have an awesome weekend, everyone. Ride safe. And I'll be back again very soon with some more. Thanks very much for watching, guys. See ya.